Hey, I've got a 4-pack of these little location tags. These are going to work with the Apple Find My app. You're getting a 4-pack. I've already hooked one up. But this is what they look like. They give you these little lanyards. You're going to get these little key rings to attach them any way you want to. And you're getting a 4-pack. When you get them out, they look like this. You just got to pull this out of there. I already have one attached to this set of keys. You can attach these to anything. Anything you want to track, anything that you are concerned about losing, you can attach this to. Attach them to keys, you can put them in your purse. So you're just going to open up the Find My app or the utility on your phone. You're going to go here to items. We're going to click add item. You got to select other item. It's really hard to see, but there's a little button right on the side here. We're going to push that in for 2 seconds. The Hoothert tag, we just hit connect. We're going to name this tag 2. From your phone, let's say that this tag was lost somewhere. You can click play sound and it's going to go ahead and activate this. This is now beeping. Now, if this was really far away, say somewhere across town or like in another state, we could go ahead and click directions. So it'll give us directions. Right now, it is 0 feet away, so it's telling us it's right here. If you're a forgetful person and you happen to lose your wallet or your purse or whatever, this is going to be a lifesaver for you. If you're not that forgetful and you just want to have it for peace of mind, grab them. It's a 4-pack. You can't really go wrong with these. They work great. You got the sound feature. You're going to get directions to it wherever it's at. This is going to save a lot of headaches, so pick these up and check them out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.